Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Perplexity on your computer. So for downloading that, first you have to open Microsoft Store. So let me open here Microsoft Store. So here you can see I am inside the Microsoft Store. Now search here for Perplexity. So just wait till the result shows. So here you can see Perplexity AI is showing. Now click on it. So here is the install option. By clicking on it, you can download Perplexity AI on your computer absolutely for free. If you want to download ChatGPT, you can check on the YouTube channel. I have already created a video on it. How can you download that? If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.